Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet, and I'm back with another fun tutorial, so let's get started. Today I'm sharing how you can make a no-sew pillow from an old sweatshirt. I created this project originally for Home Talk TV, and I'm happy to be sharing it with you here today. Okay, for this project we're using an oversized sweatshirt. We're going to start off by cutting out the main design. You can do that by drawing a line around the design to cut off the sleeves and any elastic waistbands or anything like that. I'm just using chalk to do that. It comes off easily, and a straight edge. Next, we're going to cut along the line. You can use a rotary cutter and a cutting mat or just some scissors, depends on if you want a straight edge or a rough edge. I'm using a rough edge for this design. Next, you'll have two pieces. You're going to put them on top of each other and you're going to mark every 2 inches with a ruler and some chalk. With a heavy-duty hole punch, go ahead and make holes on each dot. Make sure you have both pieces on top of each other so that you're making a hole in both pieces at the same time. Next, using a grommet kit, you're going to add grommets and eyelets all along 3 sides of the pillow. Now that all 3 sides have grommets, I'm adding a pillow insert and closing up the last side with more grommets. The next step is to weave some ribbon in through the eyelets and add a bow. And that's it. I hope you like this project. Stay tuned next time for another fun idea. Thanks for watching.